From hot stones to smoky pits, cast iron to Vaquero coffee, these Western methods weren't just for eating. They were survival, traditional, and honor, passed from saddle to skillet in every flame. Vaquero Artisan here. Here are 10 Western methods of cooking. Number 1, hot stone cooking. Origin, native tribes, and early cowboys heated stones to cook without pans. What to cook? Thin steak, fish fillets. Recipe: lay a flat river rock in the fire until scorching hot. Salt, pepper, and chili powder. Sear 2 minutes per side directly on the stone. Slice thin, eat straight off the blade. Number 2, earth, oven, or what you call pit cooking. Origin, indigenous technique used by cowboys and the Choctaws for big cuts in wild game. What to cook? Whole chicken, whole pork, and pulled chicken, pulled pork, or what you would call brisket. Recipe: dig a 2-foot pit filled with hot stones and coals. Wrap a spice, rubbed pork or chicken in burlap with a wet banana leaf. Bury it and let it cook 6 to 8 hours. Unearth and feast. Number 3, Dutch oven cooking. Origin: chuck wagon kitchens relied on Dutch ovens for stew and meat dishes. What to cook? Beef stew, sausage, and short ribs. Recipe: in a Dutch oven, combine 2 pounds of beef, potatoes, onions, carrots, garlic, and a splash of coffee, and simmer over coals for 3 hours. Serve with hot biscuits. Number 4, open fire grilling, cowboy grill. Origin: cowboys grilled over mesquite fires using makeshift crates, similar to what I have here. What to cook? Ribs, steaks, sausage, and chicken. Recipe: rub beef ribs with salt, cayenne, and molasses. Grill directly over flame, flipping every 15 minutes. For about a half an hour, mop with cider and vinegar, and serve with a tin of beans. Number 5, smoking, low and slow. Origin: plainsmen smoked meat to preserve flavor for the long trail. What to cook? Jerky, brisket, smoked rabbit. Recipe: rub brisket with black pepper, mustard, and garlic. Place near hickory fire, not over it, place near it. Smoke for 1 to 12 hours. Wrap in cloth to rest. Slice and pass around the fire. Ash cooking. Origin: primitive method. Used when tools were scarce. What to cook? Sausage, wrapped meats. Recipe: wrap hot links or seasoned game meats in foil, nested in hot ashes, not flame. Cook for 30 minutes, let rest, then eat straight out of the wrap with biscuit in the hand. Number 7, cast iron skillet frying. Origin: trail cooks use cast iron on bed roll fires. What to cook? Bacon, ham, pork chops. Recipe: fry thick cut bacon until crisp. Use grease to cook pork chops dusted with flour, salt, paprika. Serve with eggs if you've got them. Mop the pan clean with cornbread. Number 8, spit roasting. Origin, vaqueros, and cowboys slow roasted whole meat over campfires. What to cook: whole rabbit, whole chicken, whole pork, whole beef. Recipe: skewer rabbit, beef, chicken, or pork. Season with garlic, pepper, and lard. Roast 2 to 3 hours, turning slowly over a coal bed of fire. Baste with melted butter and wild herbs. Number 9, boiling in a kettle. Origin, used to feed many hands with hearty meat broth. What to cook: bones, stew meat, peri gumbo. Recipe: in a black kettle, combine beef, bones, salt, peppercorns, carrots, and onions. Add water and simmer for 4 to 6 hours. Skim off the top and serve with a wooden spoon. Number 10, coffee kettle. Tin pot brewing. Origin, lifeblood of the trail. Vaqueros, cowboys, ranch hands. Cowboy cannot ride without the fuel of the coffee. What to cook: just strong black coffee. Add cream, light sugar if you like. Boil water in pot or a tin pot. Add ground coarse coffee, about 2 spoons per cup. Stir once, remove from the fire, and let's settle down and get into some of this coffee.